here. Oh my glasses. Okay, so I didn't want to show you my pet Amelia again. Where is she? Let me show you closer. Right, that you see that brown spot over there. It's hard to see her. See that brown spot? Let's turn it sideways. Not exactly sideways. It's kind of difficult. But I think I'm moving much better this way. Do you see